guys, it's Nunu and I'm here in Home in English 101. And Home for us, of course, acts as a bulletin board to our classroom. What do we have on our bulletin board this week? We have a link to Week 2 in modules, April 20th to the 26th, 2020. We have 4 assignments that need to be completed, and they all relate, of course, to our class topic, which is what is the cause or causes of low student success rates, and what is the solution or solutions to this problem. On our bulletin board, we also have this downward pointing green arrow reminding you that free tutoring is available online and the contact information is here. Okay, I'm going to scroll back up to our link to Week 2 in modules. And this takes us right away into Week 2. And I'm going to remind you that in discussions, you do not have an April 26th due date. You have earlier due dates. So clicking on this discussion, we can see that it has 2 parts. Part 1 is always an essay. It has a due date on Friday. And Part 2 is peer evaluations, and there's a due date on Sunday. You need to begin working on this assignment immediately, as it does require some careful reading of these articles here. All right, I'm going to scroll down in this discussion, and I'm going to point out something incredibly important. I've already had some students post in this assignment, and that's fine. You can post ahead of time. So Wenhao has posted, and below his essay, he has what's called a discussion thread, his thread. And he will find peer evaluations below his essay, and you will find them below yours. You'll also find questions from me. I'm very active in discussions, and so I will ask you questions, and you'll see this animated image here, this icon of a question jumping out of a box. So make sure that you respond to any questions I ask you and any peer evaluations of your essay. Okay, I'm scrolling back up to the assignment directions. I want to remind you to read all of the directions super carefully. They're here, they're very, very detailed. And if you have any questions or concerns, I'm over here in the inbox. All right, let's have a great week, and I hope you are safe and doing okay during this COVID-19 era. All right, let's begin.